Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Upasana Taneja and I make Maths Olympiad videos on this channel. If you are visiting first time, do visit all the playlist and check what do we have here. Okay, we have beginner to pro packages as well. So in this video, I'm going to tell you a short trick. If you are preparing for Maths Olympiad or any competitive exam, this short trick you should know because many times we get quadratic equations or cubic equations to solve. So today we will do both the things here. Okay. So we got a cubic equation here. Cubic equation mean when the degree of equation is 3. If you see highest power in this equation is what? 3. So that means this is a cubic equation. Okay. And what is the method of solving these equations? How do we solve it? We first find the first root. First root we find by hit and trial method. Okay. What is hit and trial method? I will substitute a number, a digit, one by one in the equation and I will find out whether that satisfied it or not. Okay. So first I will put x equal to 1. Okay. If I put x equal to 1 here, I will get 1 cube minus 6 times 1 square plus 11 times 1 minus 6. 1 minus 6 plus 11 minus 6. If I solve it, I get 12 minus 12, that is 0. So this thing implies that x equal to 1 is a root of this equation. And since this is a cubic equation, we will have 3 roots, right? Any, like, if whatever is the degree of that equation has that many roots. If you are solving a quadratic equation, you will get 2 roots. If you are solving a linear equation, you will get 1 root. And here you are solving a cubic equation, so you will get 3 roots. Now once you get this thing, now there are 2 methods to find out other 2 roots. I am going to tell you first the short trick. Okay, how do we solve this thing? If you will work out on this short trick, like if you will do practice question, it would become like a very easy thing for you and then you will find out the roots in 2 minutes. Okay, so let us look here. I will just whatever I got first root, x is as x equal to 1. What will I do? I will write it x minus 1, x minus 1, x minus 1 3 times. Why 3 times? Since it is a cubic equation. Okay, now what would I do? I will try to make this equation from this. How? What do I want? I want x cube, right? So I have x here in the beginning. Or I will, if I multiply it with x square, it will become x square times x, that is x cube, right? And then I will multiply x square with minus 1. It would, I'm just writing for you guys. Otherwise, when you will practice these questions, you don't need to even write it, okay? Minus x square. But what do you want? You don't need minus x square. You need minus 6x square. So what should I do here to minus 6? If I multiply this with minus 5x, right? You will get minus 5x square plus 5x. Now you got minus 6x square, right? This is what I am telling you. Now you have 5x here. Do you need 5x? No. What do you need? You need 11x, right? So how will I get 11x? I already have a 5. If I add 6x here, if I add 6x, right, I will get 11x. And then I will multiply 6 with minus 1 as well. It will become minus 6. Now if you solve this equation, this is nothing but same as equation number 1, right? So this is how we try to solve this thing. Now I will take x minus 1 common and I got x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Now we got one linear. I know x is 1. Okay, and this is also 0. X square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. I got a quadratic equation, right? I just need to solve this to get another 2 roots. Other 2 roots I will get like this, x square minus. So how do we solve a quadratic equation? What I will have like 2 factors here. The sum of those 2 factors should be minus 5x and product of those 2 factors should be plus 6x square, right? How? So if I take minus 3x and minus 2x, I wrote 5 minus 5x as minus 3x minus 2x. If you add them, you will get minus 5x. And if you multiply them, you will get 6x square, right? So if you take x common, x minus 3 minus 2, x minus 3, right? Here we took minus 2 common, here we took x common. Now we get x minus 2, x minus 3, and which gives us x is 2 and 3. So we got three values of x. Those are 1, 2 and 3, right? So we had a what cubic equation, and we found all the three values of x, right? So I hope you understood this. This is a very easy short trick. I would suggest you guys to apply this trick on as many questions as you can, because other name of maths is what? Practice. If you will not practice after learning anything, you will forget that thing very easily. Or another thing I can tell you is try to teach it to somebody. Okay? If you have your younger siblings, try to teach it to them. If you ever teach something, you don't never forget it. Okay, so try to teach it to somebody or try to do practice questions. Okay, so all the very best for your competitive exams. And if you like it, do subscribe to my channel and do tell me in comments how do you feel about it. And if you like to solve math riddles, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in next video.